Personal Capital, which has been around since 2009 and is one of the first digital investment managers, is our best robo-advisor for managing portfolios. Empower Retirement bought it in 2020. The company stands out because it has a wide range of free tools for managing investments, planning for retirement, and managing cash flow. Personal Capital Cash lets anyone living in the U.S. get a savings account with a high interest rate and a variety of free banking services. Personal Capital Advisors is a full-service investment manager with fees starting at 0.89% OM and a minimum of $100,000. Anyone who wants to keep track of their finances can use the free tools, but people with more money will appreciate the personalized investment management services, holistic wealth management, and access to a certified financial planner that Personal Capital offers. We'll look closely at Personal Capital's features to help you decide if it's right for your money needs. Personal Capital account setup. To sign up with Personal Capital, you'll provide an email, choose a password, list your phone number and date of birth. You're required to schedule a call with a financial advisor, whether you are interested in only the free tools or the advisory service. You'll receive a brief biography of your prospective financial advisor. The next step enables you to link your accounts. This process is fast and secure. You can add most financial accounts including bank, investment, debt, credit card, manually entered categories, home mortgage. After syncing your accounts, you'll have access to the free financial tools and reports described in detail below. Anyone can access the free tools, although only those with a minimum of $100,000 qualify to use Personal Capital Advisors investment management with financial planners. To sign up for Personal Capital Advisors, you answer intake questions which cover your financial situation, goals, and risk appetite. Your advisor then reviews your current investments and presents you with a personal financial strategy. Next, you'll open your account at Custodian Pershing and fund it with cash or transfer securities. Even if you're using the free tools, you can expect a call from the firm. This may be considered an annoyance by some, but it's a small price to pay for access to the robust financial analytical software. Personal Capital Goal Planning. Goal planning is unique at Personal Capital Advisors and goes beyond marking a box entitled retirement, college planning, or vacation. The goal-setting process is customized and begins with a conversation with your financial advisor after you've responded to the brief questionnaire. Although most investors include retirement as a goal, any goal can be considered, such as saving for college tuition or cash for a second home. The customizable Personal Capital Retirement Planner is available for both paid clients and free tools users. This simulator projects your income and spending during both accumulation and distribution phases of life to come up with a reasonable expectation of meeting your long-term retirement needs. As your goals and situation evolve, your financial advisor is there to guide you and adjust your portfolio as needed. Account services. Personal Capital offers banking with no minimum amount, and Personal Capital Advisors provides all the services available at a full-service financial planning firm. Automated deposits are available and encouraged. While margin is not available, 2 revolving lines of credit can be accessed. These loans have no setup or closing costs, and they offer competitive interest rates. The financial roadmap is unique to Personal Capital Advisors and takes your account and loan information to create a customized to-do list of financial tasks. Topics might include items like insurance analysis, retirement cash flow planning, employer plan analysis, debt management review, and more. The list evolves along with your individual situation. Personal Capital's financial planning software is available to anyone who signs up for the platform, whether they use the advisory services or not. There is no minimum required to sync your accounts and use all of the tools. Calculators and tools include Net Worth Tracker, Savings Planner, Budgeting, Cash Flow, Retirement Planner, Investment Checkup, Fee Analyzer, Education Planner. The Fee Analyzer assesses whether you could be saving money on investment fees, while the Investment Checkup analyzes your asset allocation and suggests ways to increase returns and lower risks. The Retirement Planner allows you to adjust inputs and investigate the success of various retirement scenarios. We found the calculators and tools to be incredibly helpful, and thanks to account syncing, they provided very individualized and actionable insights. Cash Management. Personal Capital Cash is a free savings product with no minimums. The program is administered through UMB Bank. After opening an account, your money is placed in participating member banks. The account is FDIC insured up to an aggregate of $1.25 million. well above the standard $250,000 a single bank offers. Personal Capital takes a very thorough and deep look at your finances and individual data when it makes its recommendations. The data sent to Personal Capital and drawn out through the call with the financial advisor gives Personal Capital more to work with than most robo-advisors have, and the model this feeds into looks to provide more actual diversification than other robo-advisors using an algorithm based off modern portfolio theory, MPT, alone. Portfolio customization. Customization is an area where Personal Capital excels. Driven by the client and financial advisor, the customization accommodates your tax situation and unique preferences. Clients can request distinct asset allocations, the socially responsible option, ADS only in lieu of individual stocks, restricted buy or sell lists, replacement ETFs or stocks, special tax influence strategies, and more. Portfolio management. With the father of modern portfolio theory, Harry Markowitz, on the advisory board, it's no surprise that Personal Capital portfolios are created along the efficient frontier. Simply put, each investor portfolio is crafted to provide the highest returns for the given risk level. The portfolio management is designed to fit the user's goals and preferences. Funds and stocks are evaluated to ensure that they maximize returns, minimize risk, and add to the portfolio's diversification. The portfolio is also measured for sector and country concentrations, which adds to the portfolio's goal of maximizing returns for any given risk level. The tax optimization strategy includes appropriate asset location in the most tax-efficient accounts, tax loss harvesting, and choosing tax-efficient funds. Municipal bond funds and individual securities can aid in tax minimization. Rebalancing is aided by technology alerts which notify managers to adjust the client's asset mix. Rebalancing is triggered when a client's financial situation changes, assets drift too far from goal, or there is a tactical shift in the economy. Personal Capital is best for high net worth investors seeking a well-researched investment approach, qualified financial advisors, and comprehensive financial planning. Investors who might otherwise hire a full-service traditional financial advisor can interview a Personal Capital financial advisor to learn about their strategies to minimize taxes and outperform a traditional market cap weight investment portfolio. Unfortunately, the large account minimum puts Personal Capital out of reach for many as a robo-advisor. That said, the free portfolio management tools are the best we've found and suitable for any investor who seeks to analyze and manage their own investments.